So, hi viewers, welcome back to Ming TV, and today I will be sharing with you how I cook my favorite pumpkin rice, yeah? And I hope you guys stick around and enjoy until the end, because on the end of the video I'm going to share a little link with you where you can find a lot more like this, maybe a little bit better. So, stick around and I hope you guys enjoy, yeah? Cheers!
Welcome to our channel.
So guys, here's all the spice we need for the pumpkin rice. Today we have paprikas, 3 different colors because I like to keep it colorful, a little bit of thyme, some onions, scallions, garlic, pepper. This is some all-purpose seasoning, Jamaican all-purpose. We have 2.5 cups of rice, pumpkin sliced in cubes, a little bit of butter, a little salt, and some Asian coconut milk. So first we're gonna add some of this coconut milk.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So viewers, we've already added our half can of coconut milk. Now we're gonna add some thyme and some garlic, also a chili, and we're gonna leave that to boil a bit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I leave that to boil, so I'm gonna add the rest of the spices, the paprika and the onion and scallion inside.
A few moments later.
We're gonna add in that Jamaican all-purpose. Let's add some butter to it. Yes, everyone, so we leave that to boil a few minutes, and then now we're gonna add the pumpkin. Pieces of pumpkin, and we're gonna leave that to be half cooked. Then we're gonna add the rice.
A few moments later.
Pumpkins are half cooked, now it's time to add the rice. Of course, I've already washed my rice, so I'm just gonna add all that in. And please be mindful of the amount of rice you use, it's the amount of pumpkin and other ingredients you use.
Meanwhile,
The rice is not finished, we're gonna work on the southern fried chicken, yeah? So, very simple, choose a piece of chicken you like. People eat different sections of the chickens, and you add your favorite seasoning to that. Of course, I had my Jamaican jerk seasoning. This is optional. If you don't have that, use whatever you like, yeah? So all you need is your chicken that is pre-seasoned, 2 eggs, and some flour. So, let's go. Let's do this. We're gonna add some flour. This is optional. You could add whatever seasoning you like to this mixture. Again, that is very optional. We're gonna soak the chicken inside the eggs. Yeah? And then we're gonna add flour. So this will give it a nice crust on the skin, and it depends if you're the person that likes a lot of crust on the chicken. Yeah, you could do it twice after adding flour. Yeah, you do it twice. That would add a lot more crust to it. Yes guys, so meanwhile doing the chicken, we left the rice to be fit. Yes. So guys, just yep. Rice is ready. It's perfect, not too wet, not too dry. It's just the right thing, yeah. So now I'm gonna prepare the sunflower chicken and then we'll make a dish with that, yeah. So guys, remember that link I was telling you about? Chef Rohan cooking channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you guys can go ahead and click on that and check his channel out. Like, super awesome, yeah? Yes, so for all the people who know my channel, they know that I am not really a vlogger, but I do a lot of travel videos, a lot of reviews and cities, town, all that stuff. I like this, yeah? Rohan, full-time chef, do this every day, all day. Really good friend of mine, so guys, you can feel free to click the link below. Check his channel out. Yeah, so big up again, Chef Rohan. You understand? Yeah. So I hope you guys did enjoy that, and please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and click that little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, yeah?